As now you can see here, I'm using the line chart instead of a time series chart, and we're getting a result over there. So now all the stuff that we have added according to our business problem statement is being added. So now it's time to move toward the transformation part. So as you can see over here, so I'm choosing, I'm adding the text over it because I didn't want it to see their text above it, like their title above it. I wanted to see behind it, like they're in the bottom. So I'm choosing the text over it and then converting it to be as an average salary of high automation level, and slightly dragging its size over there. And then I'm choosing the next one, which is a high salary for average salary for high AI automation adoption level. So for third one, I'm choosing the it's I'm giving its title to be as a growth level in job projection, in job growth projection. And for the fourth one, I'm choosing is remote friendly jobs, percentage of remote friendly jobs. So now I'm copying the same text box title, slightly adjusting the size of these titles, like little bit alignment over there. I'm copying this title and making it over here. I'm giving it a title to be as percentage of high automation level. There's a little bit dark border over there. So I'm giving it a name to our this card to be as a high automation level. And now I am just removing its title, like high matrix name, making it to be slightly upward and making it text size into be 36. And the one thing more that I wanted it text style to be as a quicksand. So I'm just copying it and then pasting it into other visualizations, my other card visualizations. Now I'm right clicking on it and then this is over there. And now it's time to move toward the visualization. So I'm just clicking on the extract theme from image in my theme and layout bottom tab. You can see in theme and layout tab in the right, in left you have a tab for the extract theme from image. So I'm selecting the theme and image from my PC, which is the same image that we can select for our AI image, kind of an image. And then I'm extracting the theme and it's giving me a different kind of theme over there, and I'm selecting one of theme, which is this one. But there's a little bit of transformation that are required. Like I wanted to change my component background, my component background and border to be as a transparent, but as you can see over there, we have our label of a card to be as some different color. So I'm just changing its color and using paste spatial feature into all of my other visualizations. What is the one more thing that we can do? We can easily go into customize tab and change the color of the title to be as white. You can do this also. So now in terms of text, I'm going into the text label to be as a little bit blue color, light blue color. I'm just copying it, and then in the paste station I'm doing it. I think we have to do it one by one, but if we can move toward in the text tab, and here is choose your text as a primary color, and in essence style I am choosing, it's not working, but if you can see in text box style, and I'm converting you to this light gray color, and now you can see it is working. So this is stuff that we require. There is a light color difference, so I'm just copying and making to paste spatial over there. And now in terms of our donor chart, I wanted to decrease their size. First I wanted to making its legend into be disappear and making the size into be slightly low, like their bar width is a lot much more low. Now I'm changing its color. I'm just copying it, and then in my second tone chart I'm using this paste spatial. I'm choosing this bar chart, and now I'm going into this edit tab, and you can see the result that we get. And now all the stuff is being done. Just as you can see over there, there is a high automation level among the other two stuff, so I'm choosing the upward sign for this and making it just slightly low, and then adjusting into our circle. And for our high AI adoption level, we have a low value rather than to be a medium and high value, so I'm just using this drop down sign over there. And now I'm just copying this just to see that why I'm using the upward and downward side in the average salaries and all of these four matrices. So if you choose the average salary according to automation risk and you just click on there, then in high we have 15 something stuff, and in low, so you can see in we have a high salary in our automation risk rather than be medium and low, so that's why I'm choosing upper sign over there. And for our automation level, as you can see, we have a low value over there. You can see that by this way, and simply can adjust the upward and the lower side over there. And in the 50% it is being stable because it is 50-50, so I'm choosing the stable sign by using the same method to see that which sign I should use. So now I'm just adding this robot sign. I'm uploading this robot picture into my PC, and this is the final visualization, final dashboard that we wanted to get. I'm just slightly adjusting its color into be a slightly brown color, a slightly light green color, and that's much more better to look. So now this is our final dashboard for our AI job insights. I will provide all the dataset and all the images of upward, downward, and this report site into GitHub repository where you can easily access that. Thank you.